Welcome back to our video series on Cogover CRM, the no-code, low-code, and AI-powered platform. Today we're diving deeper into inventory management with Cogover. Cogover Inventory is a smart inventory management application built into the Cogover Platform, empowering businesses to monitor, control, and optimize the entire product lifecycle. With Cogover Inventory, every aspect of your goods, flows, locations, and data is seamlessly digitized, visualized, and automated, enabling your teams to operate with greater efficiency and achieve significant cost savings. In this video, let's explore powerful features of the Inventory Management app, seamlessly connected to the CRM app on the Cogover platform. Before diving into the features, let's explore an overview of a standard inventory process.
The process commences when goods are unloaded and transported to the receiving docks. Subsequently, products are routed to the quality control area for inspection, or are directly moved to designated storage locations. Upon receipt of an order, the products will be retrieved from the warehouse and moved to the picking area, then proceeded to the packing area. Finally, the completed products will be placed on the conveyor belt and directed to the shipping docks for readiness to reach the customers. This is a complex process that demands a high level of accuracy. To install the Inventory app, please click on the list of applications. Select View All Applications, choose Cogover Marketplace, search for the Inventory app, and click the plus sign to proceed with installation. Once the Inventory app is installed, you can access it via the application menu. Additionally, you have the option to pin the app to your display bar for quick access. Cogover allows for the management of multiple warehouses. You can access the configuration section, click on warehouses, and proceed to create additional ones. Currently, I have already set up 2 warehouses, Hanoi Warehouse and Ho Chi Minh Warehouse. Each warehouse can manage various locations, and these locations can have multiple sub-locations created, ensuring scientific storage capabilities and rapid product retrieval. I will create some sample locations to help you visualize this more clearly. Cogover allows for inventory management using 3 distinct methods. The first method is tracking products by quantity. For example, if you have office desks that need to be managed based on account, you can configure the inventory tracking method for this product by scrolling down to the inventory tracking section, then selecting by quantity. You can also set a minimum stock level and a maximum stock level. The second product management method is by batch. For instance, if you have shampoo that needs to be managed in batches, scroll down to the inventory tracking section and select Track by Batch. The third product management method is by serial number. If you wish to track Sony TVs by serial number, where each product has a unique serial number, simply select Track by Serial Number in the inventory tracking section. To manually receive goods into inventory, I will click on Warehouse Operations, select Good Receipts, and click Create. First, I will demonstrate creating a receipt for a quantity tracked product. In the product section, I will select the office desk since this product is managed by quantity. I will set the quantity to 10 and then click Save. After the goods receipt note is created, it will be in the draft status. You can click Propose to have the system suggest locations or quantities. Then you can click Confirm to initiate the product receiving process. Once the receiving slip is confirmed, the system will lock it and no longer permit edits. At this point, the warehouse staff will physically execute the product put away. After the warehouse staff has finished unloading, receiving, and putting away the goods, please select Complete. Once the receipt note is completed, you can review the results in the lots and serial number section. You will see that the office desk product has been created in this category. And in the stock, you can see that the office desk product has been received into the Hanoi warehouse, stored at physical storage, and the quantity available to sell is 10. You can also perform the goods receipt for batch-tracked products using similar steps. Navigate to the Receipts section, fill in the necessary information, and select the shampoo product, as this is managed by batch. I will set the quantity to 20. Unlike products managed by quantity, for batch-tracked products, you need to create a batch. I will click on Batch, enter the batch number, for example, October 2025, and click Create. You can create additional batches using the same steps. To perform the goods receipt for serial tracked products, click Create and fill in the information. Select the Sony TV product, enter the required quantity, for example, 5, and click Save. There are several ways to generate serial numbers for these 5 TVS. The first method is to click the Edit button and manually create each serial number, similar to how batches were created. The second method is to click the 3-dot menu here, select Detailed Operations, and then click Create. Here you can create the serial numbers either manually or automatically, if the serial numbers increase incrementally by a certain amount. For example, if you set the serial number prefix as Sony SN1, set the quantity to 5, and select the destination warehouse, the system will automatically generate the incremental serial codes. You can see the 5 products with 5 serial codes increasing from 1 to 5. Afterward, click Save. To process a product shipment, click on the Good Issues section, click Create, and fill in the information, including the date and customer. You can optionally select the source warehouse, otherwise the system will automatically suggest one. Select the product you need to ship out, for example the office desk. I will choose a quantity of 10, and then click Save. The created shipment order will be in the draft status. You can click Propose to have the system suggest the quantity, warehouse, and location. I will click Propose, and as you can see, the system automatically suggests the Ho Chi Minh Warehouse, HCM, a quantity of 10, and the physical storage location. Afterward, please click Confirm. Immediately after validation, the system will lock these 10 products to prevent sales representatives from selling the same items simultaneously. To verify this, I will click on Stock and refresh the view. You will see that the office desk product has a total quantity of 50. 10 are in the outgoing quantity section, and the available quantity will only be 40, as 10 units have been locked. Returning to the Good Issues section after confirming, click Complete to finalize the product shipment and sell it to the customer. Checking the stock section again, you will see that the total quantity is now 40. The available quantity is 40, and outgoing quantity is 0 because the 10 units have been fully processed and shipped out. For products tracked by serial number or batch, Cogover allows for the management of outbound inventory strategies in 3 different ways. To configure the default outbound strategy, I will navigate to the Configuration section, select General Setting, choose the first record, and choose the default stock removal strategy field. The Cogover system offers 3 distinct strategies: FIFO, first in, first out, LIFO, last in, first out, and FEFO, first expired, first out. While this is the default strategy, you can also set up different outbound strategies for various individual products. For example, for the shampoo product, you might select the FEFO strategy. This means that for this product, the system will prioritize and suggest the batch that are closest to their expiration date for shipment. To set up the manufacturing date, expiration date for product batches, you will click on the Lots and Serial Numbers section and then click into Each Batch. For example, the shampoo batch, September 2025. Here, you can configure the expiration date, manufacturing date, warranty duration, and warranty unit. Now, I will demonstrate processing an outbound shipment for a quantity of shampoo. I will go to the Good Issues section, click Create, fill in the information, select the shampoo product, and set the quantity to 5. In this case, I will not manually enter a batch number or specify a warehouse or source location. I will click Save, then Propose. The system will automatically display the batch as batch September 2025. The reason is that the September batch is set to expire first, so the system proposes it first. It will also automatically set the warehouse and source location. After reviewing and confirming, I will click Confirm. To transfer stock between different locations within the same warehouse or between different warehouses, please click on the Transfers menu, then click Create Transfer Order. Fill in the required information. For example, if you wish to transfer goods from the Ho Chi Minh warehouse to the Hanoi warehouse, select the item as the office desk and set the required quantity to 5 units. You can either manually select the source and warehouse location or click Suggest, and the system will automatically populate these fields. Then click Confirm. The Cogover system allows for the splitting of both goods receipt and goods issues. This functionality is used when the requested quantity exceeds the actual stock available in a single operation, or when you need to issue goods for sales from multiple different warehouses. Suppose your stock currently holds 8 units of the office desk product, 6 units in the Ho Chi Minh warehouse, and 2 units in the Hanoi warehouse. If you want to sell 10 office desks, click on the good issues, then Create, fill in the necessary details, select the office desk product, set the quantity to 10, click Save, and then click Propose. After you click Propose, the system will scan all available warehouses and determine that the Ho Chi Minh warehouse holds 6 office desks, proposing a dispatch of 6 units, and the Hanoi warehouse holds 2 office desks, proposing a dispatch of 2 units. However, as the customer's request is for 10 units, the system will record a total available quantity of 8 units from the Ho Chi Minh warehouse area. When you click Confirm, the system will prompt you to create split dispatch orders. Order 0075 will now allow to ship 6 products from the HCM warehouse. Order 0076 will allow to ship 2 products from the Hanoi warehouse. Order 0077 will be created as a supplementary order, pre-selecting the Ho Chi Minh warehouse as the source, with a required quantity of 2 inches. Sales staffs often use the Sales app to create sales orders. For example, suppose there is an order for 3 office desks for a customer. You can create the order as usual by selecting the product office desk, specifying the unit as piece or unit, and setting the quantity to 2. After transforming to activated status, the system will automatically generate a corresponding shipment order. You can view this shipment order in the Inventory app. You will see that shipment order 0068 has been generated. In this phase, the warehouse management staff will be informed and will find the newly created shipment order. Subsequently, the warehouse personnel can then proceed to inspect the goods and process the shipment as usual. Similarly, when the purchasing staff creates a purchase order, for instance, an order to purchase 15 office desks, and transfer the purchase order to the activated status, the system will automatically generate a corresponding good receipt order. Within this receipt order, you can immediately identify which purchase order it is associated with. Subsequently, proceed with the standard steps. The Cogover system also allows for the creation of various supply routes. You can configure these routes by clicking on the Supply Routes menu. There are 5 types of routes. The first is the returned goods to supplier. The second is internal transfer, used to determine the path when transferring products between Warehouse A and Warehouse B. Other types include the deliver goods to customer, receive returned goods from customer, and receive goods from suppliers. For example, if you want to create a route to receive goods from the Stringy supplier, you can select Stringy as the supplier and configure the system to always direct Office Desk to the location A as the destination. Similarly, if you want to create a Deliver Goods to Customer route, click Create, name it Deliver Goods to Cogover Customer. Select the customer, or the system will automatically propose one, and choose the source warehouse. If no source warehouse is chosen, the system will apply the route to all source warehouses. Finally, click Save. Once the supply route is established, you can define the pathway and select products for customer dispatch, ensuring they are consistently dispatched from the location B as the source location. The Cogover Inventory application is built on the Cogover Platform, which allows for Layer 1 and Layer 2 customization. For instance, when managing documents such as inventory good receipt orders, good issues, or transfer orders, you can utilize the Object Manager at the first layer to oversee these under the Inventory Transaction object. Within this section, you can configure various aspects, including the layout and data security rules. Additionally, you can assign permissions to control who can perform specific actions within the Inventory app. For example, to designate which users are authorized to create dispatch orders, you can navigate to the roles, create new roles as needed, and proceed to the Object Record section. Here, you can specify which users or roles have permission to create these orders, and input any additional relevant details to complete the configuration.
And that concludes our look at inventory management on Cogover. The seamless integration of inventory management and CRM on a single platform not only enables businesses to efficiently handle individual operations, but also builds a smart, synchronized business system. By automating repetitive tasks, minimizing errors, and providing real-time data, Cogover helps businesses save hundreds of hours of work each month, reduce operational costs, and boost profits. Sign up for a free Cogover trial today. The registration link is right below in the description. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get the latest guides in our Cogover CRM no-code AI video series. Thanks for watching, and look forward to seeing you in the next videos.